Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to make a cute cartoon with a monkey face, big hat and an antenna on the head. Firstly, we'll draw the antenna and the face of the cartoon. The cartoon also has a handkerchief on his neck. We will perform the steps as shown in the video to draw the cartoon, and after completing the drawing of the cartoon which has a monkey face, we will color it. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make guy who has a big fox face. He has large ears, large eyes, sharp nose and has a smiling mouth. We will perform these steps as shown in the video by firstly drawing the face of the guy, which is a fox face, and then we will draw the body. After completing the drawing, we will color the drawing. Moving on to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a boy who is flying an aeroplane in the sky. The boy is wearing glasses as we can see in the drawing. The boy is flying the sky with birds and clouds. We will first draw the boy and the aeroplane by performing the steps as shown in the video, and then we will draw some clouds and birds in the background to make it more realistic. After completing the drawing and performing the steps as shown in the video, we will color it as shown in the video with different shades of colors. Here is the drawing ready.